Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.
All right, today I am going to be making macaroni and cheese egg rolls, okay? First of all, you're gonna need your ingredients, okay? You're gonna need your egg roll shell. You can get these from the grocery store. Some cheese right here. I have sharp cheddar cheese right here. And then I have, all right, macaroni and cheese. I made it in this rapid macaroni and cheese cooker. It is al dente. If you want to get one of these, you can check the description part of the page. I can show you where to get one of these things from. All right, so this is al dente, and it's cool. It's important that you keep this al dente, okay? So I have that, and then I'm going to be cooking it in my air fryer because I'm trying to be healthier, right? All right, so I have this right here that this is the pan that goes inside of the air fryer. And then I have some water just for helping me close up the egg roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first place down the egg roll wrapper. And then I'm going to take some macaroni and cheese, right? Some macaroni. And I'm going to place the macaroni right here. It's important not to put too much on there because you don't want an overstuffed egg roll. So I got some macaroni. And then I'm just going to take some cheese, right? And I'm going to place this in here. Okay? Kind of mix it together. All right, so I got the macaroni and cheese right here. Now to top it off, I'm just going to add some pepper because I like pepper on my macaroni and cheese. So put a little pepper on that. All right, and then I'm just going to gather it all together. And I'm going to roll it. Now when you roll it, kind of tuck it in there like that. And then take the edges, right here, the corners, and bring them together like that over the package. And I'm just going to take a little bit of water, kind of like an envelope, and just go around the edges right here so it sticks down there and press down on that a little bit. All right, so now let's tuck. I'm just going to tightly roll it slowly because you don't want the paper to rip or the egg roll wrapper to rip. And then as I roll, I'm just going to keep on folding in the sides and roll it and roll it. And once I get towards the end, I'm going to take some more water and just put it along the edges so everything sticks to the roller, okay? And voila. It's rolled. Take some more water. Make it stick. Okay, so once it's stuck like that, I'm going to take some cooking spray. Right here I have coconut spray because it's really good. And I'm going to just spray it. Just a couple of sprays, not too much. Just make sure it all gets coated. Right? And then I'm going to place the egg roll in the fryer. All right, I'm just gonna place the egg roll within the air fryer. Make sure it's closed all the way. And I'm gonna set the temperature to 400 degrees and I'm gonna put it in here for 12 minutes, okay? 11 to 12 minutes. All right, after about 10 minutes, we're gonna pull it out of the oven. Look at it. Golden crispness, right? We're gonna place it down here. I'm getting close for you. I'm gonna break it apart. Get in real close. Look at that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.